I'll try not to spill this time. Oh, what's up? Oof. Are you okay? Morning, guys. We are at the Morton Arboretum. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me very well, but we have the wagon out, and yeah, we're just going to explore and probably spend most of the day in the children's garden. Yeah, so let's go. So here we are. We've got the wagon. We're all loaded up. We got all of our snacks. Yeah. And there's some of the artwork, the squirrel. Can you go push that? Can you go push that button for us? Yeah, I'm gonna go grab some coffee. Oops. And then with the you want your own? Look at that. Okay, I can show you where. Hi. Hi. Yeah. Okay, so you want apple juice and you want chocolate milk? Are you in line? Alright, I will get you guys some juice. You want chocolate milk? And you want apple juice? Yeah? Up outside, we got. Okay, open it soon. Thank you so much. Okay, I don't have to add it. Alright, come on, my loves. Okay, can you push that button for me for the door? Thank you so much.
I just saw me.
Oh, wow. A birdhouse. Yeah. Okay, let's open it. Do you need help? I think you switch it around.
I like this.
Okay. The sharp end. I'll try not to spill this time. They're so pretty. Okay, so we're in the children's garden now, and the kids keep talking about a birdhouse. I don't know. They're gonna show me. And gosh, there's so much beautiful things everywhere you look.
That one is really.
Hey, the birthday garden. What? Birthstone? Oh, I thought it was gonna be a flower. Well, what birthstone are you guys?
Where's my birthday?
I'm a pearl. You are a ruby.
I'm the actual
And Finn
color.
is an emerald.
The actual color of the
Daddy is
And look
Aquamarine.
for color.
What? You want num num? Or soon? Okay. Here you go. Baby, no thank you. Come on, let's go. Show me that birdhouse that you were talking about.
Let's go to take on first.
Okay. So where should we have our home base? Up in the trees again?
Yeah.
Good job, Finn. Hey, baby.
Right here.
Bless you, bless you. Guys, is it the pollen in the air? Right, so the weather is really nice. It's like, yeah, it's probably like 75 right now in the morning. We got here right when the garden opened at 10 a.m. You're hungry? Okay. Yeah, and we're just enjoying the slide bit, and we're gonna keep exploring.
Good.
Good. Yeah, what's up?
They're going to creek.
Oof. Are you okay?
I said they're going to creek.
Oh, impromptu stool. Little chocolate chip cookie. So show me what they're doing. Oh, I see. Okay. I found a little fairy pool. A little fairy pool. And another one over here.
Wait, what?
I know.
Is it Papa Winter? I just got it.
Alrighty. Hey, baby. Okay. I had to convert it to like a playpen because he was getting really upset, and so now he's just standing and like, so it's like a playpen. Very convenient. It's also really good. It's like 78. It's really nice in the shade. It's about 11 in the morning. It's not too bad. The kids are just playing on this thing.
My flag is over here. Yeah.
Whoa, look at this mushy. Go gentle, gentle. Gentle. This is the hard part. They one kid's over here at the creek, and then the other kid's over here at the climbing frame. So like they've split off. I set up like a home base, and I'm like, I'm not moving until we all are together. And so they kind of know where to find me. It is very difficult, so I have to keep an eye on both of them at the same time. And make sure this one doesn't fall out of the wagon. He keeps trying to climb. And is tossing everything out of the wagon now. It's a game. Oi! Oi! Hey! Yeah! Hi, babes. You so hungry? Okay, let's have like a little snack. I got your little crackers. Yeah? Building a dam. Oh, you try to stop the water? Yeah, so everyone's working on that. Need help? They ditched their shoes. These are full of water. This one's full of water. Don't know if you can see that. Squelch. One thing is all the kids are carrying these heavy rocks. And they're all not wearing shoes. I usually bring some Crocs or water shoes to protect their feet from such things, but I did not think they would be going in the creek for some reason. I don't know why I think that, but they ended up in the creek. I think he's getting ready for a nap. Oh, no. Kids are in the, well, both in the creek now, and I think I'm gonna be wrapping it up. It's almost noon. So I think we're gonna be having lunch soon. It's getting kind of hot. This little baby's a little bit cranky. Yeah. Ah, you just went under the bridge. Crazy baby. He's getting very antsy. I told the oldest one that, okay, that he's got 5 more minutes and then we're gonna head out. I got the kids, we're heading out, and they're all tired. They want to stay longer, but the baby was crashing. Yeah, I don't know what else we're gonna do today. So cute. Everyone had a big day at the creek. He said no thank you. We're a bit messy, sweaty, and very tired. Right. I scared him.